Hi, I'm Tara from Just a Bit of Home, and today I'm going to teach you how to make rustic fabric decor balls. You can check me out on my page at www.justabitofhome.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest under Just a Bit of Home. Some of the supplies that you will need to create this craft would be fabric. I used a shirt, scissors, styrofoam balls, I was able to get those at the dollar store, a hot glue gun, glue for the hot glue gun, and measuring tape. I began by cutting my shirt into one flat surface area, removing all the buttons and excess material that was no longer required. Once I had a large surface of material, I measured out 1 inch width and cut the material into 1 inch width so I could rip the shirt into strips that were 1 inch wide. By ripping the shirt, I create that rustic look that I'm looking for. Once I had all of the strips ripped, I required 6 long strips to cut at 12 inches long. I began removing all of the excess strings by rubbing up and down and pulling off any loose material and strings from the strips. Once the strips were all cleaned up, I then began to glue them onto a 3.5 inch styrofoam ball that I got from the dollar store. When applying the hot glue to the styrofoam ball, it does not matter where you start. The hot glue will, however, melt the styrofoam ball a little bit. I placed the beginning of the material strip into the hot glue, pulled the material as tight as I could. With my fingers, I held it in place, applied a little bit more hot glue, and lined up the pattern of the strip. I then pushed the remaining strip onto the hot glue, flipped over any excess, and cut that off. I continued this process for the next 5 strips by slightly moving the strips to the side, one over the other, and I continued in the same direction to avoid it looking messy, but it would be symmetrical by moving in the same direction. I only used the glue gun on the tops and at the ends and continued to cut off all of the strips as required. These decor balls are lightweight, they're fantastic for multiple purposes, and they can be used year-round. You can use them with different color schemes or in any sort of decoration that you would like. If you like this video, click like, click share. If you want to see more, check me out on Facebook or my website at justabitofhome.com. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you will come back again.